U.S. History students, and welcome to the Week 1 quiz. I will be reading through the quiz questions along with the quiz answer options, and this particular quiz will go all the way up to question number 10. Question number 1, fill in the blank. Blank are documents provided to you at the start of each week that will help you prepare to take your weekly quiz and quarter test. They will include questions to answer about important topics from the week's content. Quizzes, U.S. History Assistance documents, study guides, quiz answer sheets. Question number 2. What is the name of the online textbook for U.S. history? The Story of the Great United States, The American Odyssey, There Is No Textbook for U.S. History, or The U.S. and You, History Comes Alive. Question number 3. How do you know what work to complete in U.S. history each week? Check the to-do list in the course announcement area, review your class plan area, weekly folders in the content area, or all of the above. Question number 4. Which statement best describes the late assignment policy for U.S. history? All work must be submitted on the day it is due. No assignments will be accepted after their original due date. All work will be open all year for submission. All work will be open until the last day of the quarter. Quizzes lock at 11:59 p.m. the day they are due. Weekly assignments will be locked the second Sunday following their due date. Question number 5. How many times can you retake a quiz without contacting your teacher? 0 times. You must contact your teacher each time you want to retake it. As many times as you would like. The quiz has unlimited retakes. 1 retake, you have the first attempt and a second attempt, which is your retake. Quizzes will not be reset for a 3rd attempt. 4 times, as long as each retake is completed within 24 hours of the previous attempt. Question number 6. Which of the following is an example of a primary resource? Wikipedia, a letter from a soldier during the Revolutionary War to his family, a magazine article about the daily lives of a Revolutionary War soldier written in 2005, or Google. Question number 7. Match the description to a characteristic of a reliable resource. The options are authoritative, unbiased, current, and accurate. The descriptions are: the author presents the information in the resource to share knowledge and has no hidden agenda to alter the information to present a specific point of view. The information in the resource can be confirmed by other reliable sources. The resource was recently published or updated. And the last option, the author of the resource knows what they are talking about and have the experience to back it up. Question number 8. Why are citations used in research? To find information and identify who created it. It is something they make us do in school. To give credit to the people whose thoughts you are using as well as your own. A and C. Question number 9. What temporary landmass linking Siberia and Alaska is thought to have allowed hunter-gatherers to migrate from Asia to North America? Nomadia, Beringia, Siberian Connection, Sibaskan Peninsula. Question 10. What effect did the geography and climate of America have on the culture of Native American groups? It determined whether or not they could record a written history of their people. It caused all native tribes to be the same. It impacted material use and intellectual culture, what they used for shelter and clothes, as well as some of their religious beliefs. It was responsible for their disappearance long before European explorers arrived. When you are done with your quiz, please make sure to go to the bottom and submit quiz. Good luck!